Welcome to Time with Mary. I'm so glad that you could join me for this episode where we are preserving herbs for year-round use. I love growing herbs in my garden. They're easy, rewarding, and save a surprising amount of money during the winter months. Today it's time to set some herbs up to dry for year-round use. These are some of my favorites: cilantro, dill, parsley, basil, and oregano. Each one brings its own flavor and fragrance to the kitchen, and preserving them means I can enjoy that freshness even in January. First, I wash and gently pat the herbs dry. Then I gather each bunch by the stem and tie a small knot around them, just enough to hang upside down. Once everything's in neat bunches, I hang them from the knobs on my dining room hutch. It's a spot the cats leave alone, and it's out of the way, perfect for drying. The smaller bits without stems go into little bowls on the windowsill. They'll dry out naturally in the sunlight. Once the herbs dry completely, I will store them in 4-ounce jars similar to what I've done in the past. This year, I'm also planning on gifting some fresh herbs. I'll use more small jars and use colorful ribbons to decorate them, and this will be a fun, inexpensive gift. If you've never tried growing your own herbs, I would encourage you to start trying. There's nothing quite like enjoying what you've grown yourself, and even better is sharing it with others. So thanks for joining me today in the kitchen. Glad that you could be a part of our preserving herbs for year-round use, and I will see you in the next video.